This house looks closed from the outside, but once you enter, everything opens up. This is the Sion House, designed by MARRO Arquitectos in Mexico. The site is small, and it has an irregular shape, so the design does something simple but very efficient. The main volume of the house is stretched to one side, using the remaining space to create open areas. Right at the entrance, this becomes clear. A taller volume marks the access and hides a double-height entry hall. The house doesn't reveal itself all at once. It unfolds gradually. From the entrance, the spaces begin to organize. The social area fully opens to the garden. A large open span connects inside and outside, making everything work as a single continuous space. But the most important feature is not just the large opening in the social area, it's the void that runs through the house, a linear internal garden. It separates the house from the edge of the lot while bringing light and ventilation inside. This void solves multiple problems at once. It brings light, allows airflow, and creates privacy. The house breathes through it. Another important feature is the double-height spaces, one at the entrance, another in the living area. These vertical spaces allow hot air to rise and improve airflow inside the house. On the ground floor are the social areas and a guest bedroom. This bedroom is separated by a natural stone wall, which adds privacy and creates a more protected atmosphere. The structure of the house also stands out. The volumes project outward, creating cantilevers. One covers the car area, another protects the bedrooms. On the upper level, the house splits again. On one side, the main bedroom, on the other, the children's rooms and a shared living area. There is also the option to go higher, up to a rooftop terrace. The materials follow a clear logic: exposed concrete, natural stone, wood. Nothing is hidden. You can understand how the house was built just by looking at it. In the end, the Sion House is simple to understand. It solves a difficult site with clear decisions. It uses voids to bring in light and air. It organizes spaces into well-defined volumes. And it shows that even on a small lot, it's possible to create an open, ventilated, and well-resolved house.